statement simply that I'm here having already authored an amending bill for the Agricultural Tarification Act. So I would like the suggestions of all the resource persons as well as the DA here, the NGOs, and all the farmers representatives, most of all from the Secretary. Also, perhaps it's time once again to look at the NFA and its charter. It, of course, derives from my father's era. Hence, we are very, very familiar with it. And perhaps it's also time to review the highly restricted mandate. Ang lit-lit na lang ng papel na gagampanan ng NFA ngayon. Baka naman nasobrahan namin. Dahil galit na galit kami sa katakot-takot ng importation noon. Baka labis naman at nalimitahan naman ng NFA sa buffer stocking na lamang at pagbebenta ng bigas sa DSWD pati ang LGU. Baka naman kinakailangan palawakin yan. Kaya lang sa kabila ng pagnanais namin tumulong, tuloy-tuloy pa naman ang report na nabubulok at talagang nasisira ng tuluyan ng NFA stock. Sabay, paano natin palalawakin ang trabaho niyan kapag hindi nila naasikaso ko, konti na lamang. At sa usapin ng NFA, magkano yung current income ng NFA, ano ang gagawin natin sa 103 billion na utang niya, ano ba yan, i-condone ba yan, i-erase the board na lamang yan, ano yung breakdown niyan, pagplanuhan natin para kung dadagdagan natin ng pera ng NFA, abay asikasuhin muna natin yung utang kasi napakalaki ng problema niyan. So eto yung aking mga concerns moving forward in the spirit of IMI solution. Ayusin na natin to once and for all para may plano tayo. A 60-day suspension is very much a band-aid solution where while it is welcome, we are fully aware that a longer-term plan is urgent and necessary. Thank you very much. Yun lang po.